How to create a landing page in Canva. In this video, I'll show you how to design a professional landing page using Canva's built-in templates in just a few simple steps. First, open your web browser and go to Canva. Sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Canva homepage, click the search bar and type landing page or landing page website. You'll see a variety of professionally designed templates for different businesses and industries. Browse through the templates and choose the one that best matches your style or brand. Click Customize this template to open it in the Canva editor. Now you can personalize the design by replacing the sample text with your own heading, description, call to action, and any other content you want to include. You can also upload your own images, change the colors, update the fonts, and rearrange elements to match your brand. Once you're happy with your design, click Share in the top right corner. Then select Download and choose the file format that works best for your website, such as PNG, JPG, or PDF. Download the file and upload it to your website or use it as part of your marketing campaign. That's it. You've successfully created a landing page in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Canva design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.